portable fire extinguishers are a piece of safety equipment which should be in every vehicle, home, barn, and workshop. The best all-around choice is a Class ABC dry chemical. Shown here are some common sizes: 3 pound, 5 pound, 10 pound, and 20 pound. Let's take a closer look at ABC fire extinguishers and learn a bit more about the rating system and what those letters and numbers mean. The letters A, B, and C refer to the classes of fire an extinguisher is intended to put out. Fire is classified by the type of fuel that is burning, with Class A fires being wood, paper, cardboard, cloth, and ordinary combustibles, which would also include hay and straw. Class B fires involve flammable and combustible liquids, such as gasoline, diesel fuel, oils, or propane. A Class C fire is a fire involving energized electrical equipment. Dry chemical fire extinguishers use a very finely ground chemical powder as their extinguishing agent, which makes them suitable for use in below freezing temperatures. The sizes 3 pound, 5 pound, 10 pound, and 20 pound refer to the amount of powder in pounds for each size of extinguisher. The powder is ground so fine that it flows almost like water. Another system for rating portable fire extinguishers uses a combination of letters and numbers to indicate the class of fire and the amount of fire the extinguisher is designed to put out. This 3 pound extinguisher also carries a rating of 1A, 10B, C, with the 1A referring of course to Class A fire, and the 1 meaning that the amount of powder, 3 pounds, is equivalent to 5 liters of water. The 10B refers to the extinguisher's ability to put out a flammable or combustible liquid fire, with the 10 referring to the area in square feet that this extinguisher can put out. So the 10 square feet is roughly equivalent to this saddle pad. The C does not carry a numerical designation. The C simply means that it will not conduct electricity, making it safe for use on the energized electrical equipment. This 5 pound extinguisher has a rating of 3A, 10B, C. So it is the equivalent of 15 liters of water. However, it will only extinguish the same size of flammable liquid fire as the 3 pounder. With a rating of 6A, 80B, C, this 10 pound extinguisher is equivalent to 30 liters of water and can handle up to 80 square feet of flammable or combustible liquid fire. So by comparison, the pickup box on the back of the truck is approximately 48 square feet. So a 10 pound extinguisher can handle a considerably larger Class B fire than its 5 pound counterpart. The 20 pound extinguisher has a rating of 10A, 80B, C. This extinguisher is the equivalent of 50 liters of water. However, its Class B rating is the same as the 10 pound. Of the 4 extinguisher sizes we've looked at, the 10 pound is probably the best overall combination in terms of extinguishing capability, weight, and ease of handling. The 5 pound, we keep a pair of those in the tack room of the trailer, and the 3 pound is an ideal size to keep in the pickup. When purchasing extinguishers, look carefully at the ratings before buying. These 2 extinguishers look very similar. The one on the left is the 20 pound ABC we looked at earlier. The one on the right, although it appears similar, is only rated for Class B and C fires. It has a rating of 80B/C, the same as the one on the left for flammable liquid fires. However, it is not intended for use on Class A fires.